Hi, it's Trevor here from Fieldmagic. Today's video, we're going to be focusing on our brand new feature, which is job profitability. What we can see over here is we're in our jobs list. We can see all of our different jobs. What you'll notice is there is a new column here that shows our profitability metrics. We have an actual profitability, and we have the original estimated profitability that we would have made on that job had it gone according to plan. Now, to understand this a bit more, what we can do is we can drill down into this job, and we have a new actions button over here where we can access, and we can have a look at our profitability analysis view. What this will show us is a comparison between the labor from our work order, which is the estimated time that we would have spent on that job, versus the actual time that our staff ended up spending on that job. And of course, if the actual labor is greater than the labor that we had estimated, we would get a loss. But if we spend less time, then we would have been making a profit on that labor aspect of our jobs. We also compare the estimated materials versus the actual materials used, and we summarize it at the bottom where we look at the actual versus the estimated. And right at the bottom, we can see an estimated profit versus an actual profit. And this metric is arrived at from subtracting the overall costs of the job from the amount that we've invoiced on that job, and that gives us our actual profit margin. The next feature that we'll be talking about today is the ability to add default parts to recurring jobs. You may have a job that happens every month, every quarter, or every 6 months, and you want the ability to make sure that on that job, the right materials are pre-populated and that we get invoiced those materials at each period. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to create a recurring job in Fieldmagic. We're going to set this job up as a quarterly job. We'll select the specific site or location that's getting serviced. And what we'll be able to do is on this job that's recurring, we can go and set up what we call our work order line items, which is what are the parts that are going to be required for this recurring job. We'll add an item, and we can add multiple line items over here. The first thing we'll do is we're going to need a CCTV camera part number on this job. We're going to tag that to the sales department. And if we want, we can also attach unique pricing using our price book there as well. So they get a discount on those pricing if you've got an agreement with that customer. And we'll save that. Now, every time this job is recurring and every time it gets assigned to go and carry out that routine inspection, those parts will automatically be added to the job and you'll be able to invoice them once that job is completed.